So you've got yourself a Google Pixel 7 Pro or a Google Pixel 7 and you're not sure how to put the SIM card in your phone. Well, today we're going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's dive into it. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and power off my phone. So once it's powered down, we're looking for our SIM card slot. And on the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel 7, it's located on the left-hand side of the screen on the edge here. So you're going to see the SIM card tray right here, as well as a tiny little hole right there. So you're going to take your SIM card ejection tool. This came with the phone. If you don't have one of these, you could probably use a tiny pin. And you're going to push that right into the hole there. So we're going to find the hole, we're going to push that in, make sure it's straight, just like that, and we're going to push that in, and you can see it slightly ejected the tray there. So now we can go ahead and pull that tray out. Gives you about a couple millimeters there, and you can pull that right out like that. So go ahead and grab your SIM card, and these are a Nano SIM card that these phones use. It also has an eSIM in it, but we're just doing the regular SIM today. And the corner of the SIM card kind of has a cutout on it. You want to make sure that that lines up with the cutout on the tray. So we're going to go ahead and line that up. Make sure the corner that's cut off lines up with that, with the kind of chip side pointing up, just like that. We're going to fit it right into the tray. And then we're going to slide the tray back into the side of the phone. Now, you want to make sure that the hole on the tray lines up with the hole on the phone. So we're going to slide it in like this, and I'll show you in a second. The hole there needs to line up with the hole underneath. So you need to make sure this is going in the correct direction. Once you've got it in there, you can just go ahead and push it in, and then you can go ahead and fire up your Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro, and you are all done. It's really that simple to install the SIM card in your Google Pixel 7 Pro or Pixel 7.